Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to disable disappearing messages in WhatsApp Web. Follow these simple steps to take control of your messages and keep them from disappearing. Step 1. First, open WhatsApp on your computer by launching the WhatsApp Web application or visiting web.whatsapp.com. Step 2. Once you're on the WhatsApp Web interface, locate and click on the three dots icon in the top right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access the Settings panel. Step 4. In the Settings panel, you'll find several options to customize your WhatsApp experience. Look for and click on Privacy to proceed. Step 5. Within the privacy settings, scroll down until you find the default message timer option. This is where you can control the disappearing messages feature. Step 6. Click on Default Message Timer to reveal a list of available options. To disable disappearing messages entirely, select Off from the list. And that's it. You've successfully disabled disappearing messages in WhatsApp Web. Now your messages will no longer disappear automatically. We hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.